going on?
Like, subscribe, share, comment, Delta 88.
Gotta take this pain away till the devil leave me alone. R.I.P. my cousin, throwing up fives, can't believe you gone. Man, I miss my brother, can't wait till I see you, man, come home. Out there trapping, man, you tryna make it happen. I'ma make it with this rapping. I'm a goddamn king, nigga, where my throne. I'm the best.
What up, YouTube? Getting ready to get on the move. Got the AC cooling that thing off. Gotta go get a couple things looked at. Make sure my AC blowing snow cold. So I'm about to get in traffic for a minute. Come on, roll with me. Got them dash panels wrapped up there. Let's get in traffic. AC definitely blowing comfortable, but it ain't cooling like snow. So I'm gonna just get it looked at a little bit more extensively, but it's definitely comfortable in here. But once it hit that ice cold, I'll be working with what I'm looking for. So it's definitely blowing though. Everything is brand new, so it should be blowing. That's not the issue. It's just not getting frosty cold. And it's a nice day for the most part, but it's nice to be behind the AC too though. It's nice enough for that. Getting on down the road. Purling as usual. I don't expect nothing less than purling. Some wire, a little bit of wire that I don't like seeing hanging out. So I'm gonna actually wrap it. Split. no more red wire right there. Everything is in this plant blacked out. Looking neat and clean. Got that thing dang near freezing here in a minute. Got the low side where you want it comfortably. When you get on the gas, it comes down more around that 40, so it's getting cooler like it should. We was missing an orifice tube, sound like, that he told me. There's an orifice tube. Oh yeah, that feels cool in there. Oh yeah, that feels good. So, my guy Gary, anybody need any AC work or anything, Gary, and I'll be able to give you a contact, and you schedule something with him, come out and see him. Again, that's Gary the electrician out here in Baser. Baser, Kansas, that is.
Turn the key back on for me, please. Okay. Shut your key off. Turn it back on. Okay. Shut it off. Turn it back on again. Okay, shut it off. Yeah, that white one's ignition. You just tag into it and put a that gauge wire over here if you want to.
So do this one then, because this is what they were using.
They're wanting to hook up the battery. It's too small.
This is too small?
Yeah.
I think this one goes to. I'm steady for this thing for so long.
It's probably goes over there.
Yeah, this
I don't know. What is?
I think that's that remote wire.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the remote wire.
That's just a breaker there, 60 amp breaker there. What's your key? I'm trying to think. You're gonna run that, because that's generally off the battery.
Mm-hmm. That's all my wires. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be a wire that runs over there. I think it should be two. Yeah, two. So one goes from here to here, and one goes from here to the battery,
Right.
and then my ground, of course, and then everything else. That's it.
Yeah, you could tie that red one. Ooh, you got two reds.
Mm-hmm. Because one goes from here to there.
But you're not gonna
Yeah, battery right here.
hook up. You probably won't need this because that won't be. That's more than 60 or less than 60 amps there. It's probably fused. Probably got running off the ignition switch or off the fuse box inside possibly. So
Okay.
I wouldn't use that unless you're gonna hook it up to the battery and then straight to this here.
Yeah.
But then you'd have to shut it off each time.
Oh yeah. I don't have to do that.
No.
If I don't have to.
No, yeah. Yeah. I mean, you can run a switch. I would just run it off this white one. Do away with that. Don't keep it, but don't just run a wire from either that one over to this one here.
Mm-hmm.
And just tag into it and then.
So go ahead and do the connection red into the ignition, and then run this one to the battery.
Is this fired up, whatever, or kick it in, or what?
Yes. Just gives this power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all that does.
Okay, so that.
Yeah, that gives this power to the board.
What's this power here then? Or
That's a negative.
That's negative and positive.
Yeah. Negative go to ground, of course.
Right.
And that's it.
But
And
that
then-
doesn't, when you run ground and hot, it don't power up all these fuses here.
Mhm. Yeah.
But what, then you said this here?
It's ignition to give this power. So this only
Okay.
comes on when the ignition comes on.
Well then, okay. just if that's the case, so we might be able to do that. That would be easy. That would be better, man. Okay.
Okay.
Let me hang on a second.
Yes, sir.
Just hang on to that for a second. Take the test light back or something like that. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. You see that? I thought it was nice.
Okay, yeah, you can just hook up. If that kicks it, this kicks it in.
That little skinny red one? Yeah. From the middle.
Yeah.
Just tap into this,
Yeah.
into that.
Yeah, run your cables to the battery like I got it here. You can just, I would just tag these, whichever one's positive, you know, the positive like they're here to here if you can. Might
It's
have,
small.
yeah, you might have to put a bigger end on the thing. Our parts store guy cut it and then get a wholesale battery or you know, get, I think that's a 5/16, I think. Yeah, just run your hot and ground to the battery on the thing and then run your ignition over to there and shoot this, that will kick it in. And put that, you can put that circuit breaker in there too.
Yeah.
You can mount it here. Or,
I'll go ahead with the circuit
yeah,
breaker.
yeah, go
Okay.
ahead. So I didn't realize. I thought when it hooked up hot and negative to that, that would run everything, but no.
Okay.
Then you're saying that kicks it in.
Mhm.
So, yeah, you can tie.
Yeah, that ties in with the smaller
Yeah.
one because it's two reds and it's one. I only
Right.
need one ground because the grounds both of them.
Okay. Yeah.
I
you
believe
just,
that's correct. Yeah.
yeah, you can just go like that or whichever.
Yeah.
Short.
Shorter one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
whichever.
Yeah.
You can mount that up there. The longer one would be better, or wherever.
So why does this one have a ground too though?
It doesn't.
Oh, it
No,
don't.
no, that's just power.
Oh, this is power.
Yeah.
Oh, because one end goes to the battery, and one end comes to me, right? Or not?
Yeah. The battery positive here. It doesn't matter which way it is.
Okay.
So it was battery auxiliary. So put the battery on the battery side.
Okay, so the battery comes from there to there,
Yeah,
then
right.
the other one comes from there to there.
Yeah, to the positive on that
Okay.
side.
Okay.
See, then that kicks. That's break.
If anything happens, it'll
Yeah.
pop. Yeah.
It'll stop,
Yeah.
pop. But yeah, there's nothing bigger than 60 amp
Right,
on there. I'll blow
right.
those fuses
Mhm.
before it blows that.
Because all I'm running is, like I said, this is like, so I can have, because I don't, my cigarette lighter and then eventually my radio. That's
Yeah.
a lot of stuff to be on a battery, so I wanted a breaker.
Yeah,
in,
no, that's
in the
fine.
middle
That's
of all
good.
that.
Yeah, that's a good setup there. So
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to run. You supply power to that, and that keeps that fired up.
Mhm.
Voltage wise, keeps the voltage up, and then your positive kicks in, and then you're not losing voltage basically.
Okay. All right. So I can make this stay on this end, so this little yellow thing don't
Yeah.
be all out here,
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
you know, looking,
Yeah, yeah.
funky and stuff. Do
Oh,
you
yeah.
mind if I do this? Do you
No,
mind,
I
or
don't care.
you need some bay or anything?
No, not right
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Yeah. Just out of the way. I don't have my shade, but
Oh, you okay, man? Gary, I work outside at the house. I do all this stuff. I try to do it before the sun really comes out in the morning, but I'll
well,
be
yeah.
all right.
If you get off in the morning,
Yes, I
you
get off in the morning.
you
Yeah.
do a couple hours before you
Mhm.
have to take a break or whatever.
Yeah.
Get a couple hours sleep, whatever. Yeah.
Mhm. box. Everything is working properly. Turn this on. Power button. Voila. Charge my phone up, charge anything else I want, and I'll be able to run my radio here soon. Turn it off, and it's off, so it's not running constantly. Look at your boy. Holla at your boy. Ain't gonna hold you. That's some good cold AC blowing out of there. Good cold AC. Windows up. Like I said, I was riding comfortable earlier in the AC. Now I got a real deal AC car. Cause this is cold. My knuckles are cold. My fingers are cold. That's blowing snow from right here. That's blowing snow. So that's all I wanted. I got me some snow in here. Got my auxiliary hooked up. My phone was charging. But yeah, that's snow. Got an AC car. Good, strong 350 rocket AC car. Now I need to get this oil changed, get this windshield done, get my radio put in. Those would be like the last few big ticket items that I need to do right now just to make it creature comforts. Got AC, now I need some sound. I can charge. Hey, ain't too much more you can want. Till next time. Peace.
Hey, get that bag,
I'm sitting in the trap and I'm posted with bones. I got some niggas that's waiting on a bun. I just left the bank and I'm counting off.